Ever feel like your credit card is that one friend who always says, "Sure, you can afford it," while you both ignore the growing tab? Spoiler alert, that friend is about to ruin your wallet and your weekend. Credit cards can feel like magical little rectangles of freedom until the bill arrives looking like it just got back from a luxury vacation you didn't even take. Sure, points and perks sound great, but let's be real. Are they worth the 29% interest on that impulsive air fryer purchase? And what about monitoring spending? With credit cards, it's like you're playing hide and seek with your money. Spoiler, it always wins. Then there's the sneaky debt trap. Credit cards don't just let you spend money you don't have, they encourage it.
Before you know it, you're in a cycle of minimum payments, late fees, and enough stress to warrant another purchase retail therapy.
Oh, the irony.
Meanwhile, your bank account is crying, "Help me, I'm poor."
Enter the debit card, the unsung hero of your financial life. Unlike credit cards, debit cards keep it real. They're like the responsible friend who reminds you, hey, if it's not in the account, it's not happening. Debt? Gone. Spending awareness? Skyrocketing? Budgeting? Practically automatic.
Take all your credit cards, put them in a drawer, or freeze them, literally, in water. Switch to using a debit card for all purchases. Download a budgeting app to track spending in real time. Celebrate your newfound financial freedom with money you actually have.
Your wallet and your future self will thank you. Subscribe and follow.